Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Yakfish Taco here. So I got some black truffles here from the Pacific Northwest. You see my dog loves them. But I would like to make some seafood pasta with it too. So yeah, let's go. So see how beautiful they are. I use one to sort of grate it to make a sort of a seasoning for it. Definitely, chop onions and diced garlic, all that basic stuff. Oh, yes, and Italian parsley. That's pretty good. You don't have to have them, but it's good to have it. Mushrooms, bacon. Bacon is good for a base, saltiness, and some smoky to it. Crushed peppers. I like to use some anchovies as well. Anchovies give that little umami saltiness to it. Add salt to the water to boil your pasta. I use thin spaghetti here. Get all the ingredients ready. Got the bacon sweated out. Get the fat out. And the anchovy. Some extra virgin olive oil. Don't be shy on the oil. You need a lot of them. And then all my chopped onions and garlic. Mushroom goes in. Get it all sweated out. Get the extra moistures out. And then my beautiful grated truffle for that really aromatic sauce. I mean, that base goes into the entire thing. And then now the shrimp. So I got the shrimp peeled. There's some extra ground peppers, and because I have shrimp, that's seafood, so I use white wine. Some people use you can use extra heavy cream to make it creamy. Now, so the pasta of water with the parsley and get everything mixed up, and then the pasta goes in. I like to have it extra al dente, and then get all the moistures out, and then you get the really beautiful cooked pasta and shrimp and all that stuff goes on top. Don't forget the little extra oil, the sauce, make the plate more beautiful. Now I shaved out some extra truffles on it, know, just to enjoy it and also for that presentation. And then voila, bon appetit. Thank you, everybody.